Alright, this is a 360 watt kit I've built for a potential customer with the help of my good friend Solar Johnny, providing some parts and of course some solar expertise to it. After all, I'm just a guy that gets some parts on the side. Solar Johnny is the guy that puts the butter on the toast. So what I have right here is a small solar panel system, but not that small, a great little RV system or something like that. Small cabin type of deal. What we have is 3 of these 120 plus watt, I think this is 124, but they're all over 120. Sonali. These are the small panels, brand new, running in parallel. I only have one out here hooked up, leaning on the lawnmower, of course. No, but I wanted to do one just to make sure that I could test all 3 of the channels one more time here. So there are 3 of those panels going along with 20-foot drop cords for each panel, so you can get them out nice and far, which will run back into pairs of NC4 connectors on the fuse box or the string combiner box from Midnight Solar. I've got them rated at 15, which is more than they need, but they're perfectly fine. Plus it allows you to upgrade to bigger panels in the future if you'd like to. Totally doable. Except not at 12 volt with the Schneider. But definitely great for what we're doing right here. So we move on past there. Nice output, all American made welding lead. Nice stranded wire for the DC. Not the cheap internet breakers, but a good quality breaker. So panels are going here once combined out to the Schneider C40, good old PWM charge controller. These are 12 volt panels, so as you can imagine, the PWM charge controller should do fine. Little voltage meter we put together here just so you can read what's going on. See, we got that one panel out there. It's rainy, it's overcast, and it's still trying to toggle that battery up and hold it up. There's not much solar going on right there with one panel, especially because we come out of the charge controller through this fuse, through this breaker, down to this bank of, what is this? It's a little over 400 amp hours of AGMs. Once again, all American welding lead, all copper fittings. This is the Solar Johnny stuff right here, guys. This is why you have Solar Johnny come do your job and build your parts. Every terminal shrink wrapped. It's got the glue. It is watertight. That cable is ready to go for as long as anything else. Anyway, good quality lead all the way up. And finally, we're running a Kasei power inverter. Pure sine, of course. It's 1,000 watt. This is great. They can do their computers, their cell phones, everything, not beat anything up. Got a good little high amperage USB. You can also plug that cheap remote in from online. Maybe I'll buy that too. But it's also got a battery readout meter for the utility room or battery area that you may put the system in. So anyway, that's the setup. Great little system. We're putting it out there for a really good little price, just the cost of parts and having someone help put it together a little bit. But that's a good little system for somebody to put together right here in old North Denver, Colorado. And if you have any questions, post them. I'd be happy to answer them. I can usually get you a good answer on a 12 volt. And it's always an excuse to show off the old 12 volt Escalade, of course, with custom 12 volt headlights charged off of the main solar bank here at Old School Solar. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.